Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Chargebee Subscription Billing Review My Usage Experience. Chargebee Subscription Billing Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive analysis of your subscription billing processes using Chargebee. It's aimed at businesses using Chargebee for subscription management, providing insights into billing efficiency, potential errors, and areas for optimization. Key features likely include data analysis, reporting capabilities, and perhaps automated alerts for potential billing issues. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Chargebee's reputation precedes it, suggesting a focus on ease of use for those familiar with their platform. The benefit lies in streamlining billing processes, potentially reducing errors and improving revenue management. Pricing is likely tiered based on usage, but this would need to be confirmed on their website. The technology leverages Chargebee's existing data infrastructure for analysis. Availability is tied directly to Chargebee usage. If you're a Chargebee customer, you likely have access to these tools. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Chargebee Subscription Billing Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the review was straightforward. I simply connected my existing Chargebee account, a process that took less than 5 minutes. The interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly presented key metrics like average revenue per user, churn rate, and payment failures. I used the revenue by product report to identify my best-selling items, which was extremely helpful in adjusting my marketing strategy. Performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, even with a large dataset. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear explanation. I was really impressed by how visually appealing and easy to navigate the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated alerts for recurring payment failures. It saved me a lot of time and potential revenue loss. One minor drawback was the lack of a more granular level of customization in the pre-built reports. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Chargebee Subscription Billing Review My Usage Experience. It provided valuable insights into my billing data, enabling me to make data-driven decisions to improve my business. That's my overview of Chargebee Subscription Billing Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.